Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to fix laggy issue using Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. You know that I bought this program a couple days ago, and the first thing I want to edit a new project using Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 to show you all the things, all the possibility of this program. By the way, I faced with laggy issue when I imported my GoPro footage into this program. Then I tried to find out the solution and find out the information on the internet to see why it happens. Because it is a lightweight and simple to use program, there's no reason why it's lag and I cannot start my new project. But after searching on the internet and also try out myself, here's the solution why it is lag. Okay, let's jump into the software. So I will show you. Here I have in the media bin, I have imported some example clips into the library. So we have some Full HD 1080p footage right here, and I have 4K footage here. This is a 4K footage, and also some footage shot by my GoPro. Let's drag and drop it onto the timeline. Firstly, for the Full HD clip, if you drag and drop it onto the timeline, this one is short one and it works perfectly. The preview is very smooth. For example, let's play it. And you can see that at the preview window, it is very smooth, no problem with this clip, right? But if you we bring more Full HD clip onto the timeline, let's select it, press and hold your control key on your keyboard and select the clip, and let's drag and drop it onto the timeline. Alright, so now it starts lagging a little bit. But you can see that at the bottom of the screen there's a notification that they are optimizing HD clips. So what is this means? This means that Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 is trying to create a small version of your original clip, so has lower resolution than the original clip. But don't worry, that is just the same with process in Filmora 9 and other video editor. So they are trying to create a small copy of this clip so that they can work smoothly in when editing. But finally, when we export the project, the resolution become normal. Okay, so that's why it's lag. But here, let's play it. And you see that it is smooth with 1080p clip after optimizing HD clips. If it is under optimizing, then the clips, the preview is not smooth at all. For example, let's delete all of this and bring in new footage, 4K footage. This one, and this one. I will drag and drop them on the timeline. Okay, and now. As you can see that this is 4K footage, so if we play it, it is not smooth at all, because especially when you are using low-end computer to edit video. For example, at this position, yes. But actually, I just brought this clip onto the timeline before, so the clips is optimized. So it is smooth, but now I will drag and drop my new GoPro footage onto the timeline. It is not optimized yet. This one. As you can see that there's a little notification right here, optimizing this clip, auto saving project or something like that. So that's happened. If we play it now, it is not smooth at all. Right? Very choppy, and we cannot even play the video. But we need to wait until it finished optimizing HD clips. Some people will suggest that you can turn off this feature, but that is not the case, because when you're editing video on a low-end computer, you need to optimize it. You need a smaller version of your original clip to get smooth preview. In Movavi and in many other video editor, for example, in Filmora 9, I have the option to reduce the preview quality to 1/16 or something like that. Okay, it is not finished yet, So if you bring too many clips onto the timeline at the same time, then you need to wait, just sitting on your chair and wait until it finishes optimizing. After that, you can start editing your work. You can start editing your video. So that's the only solution that can solve laggy issue when using Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. In my opinion, if you have any other solution, let me know at the comment section below. Okay, so that's how you can fix and why it's happened. And here I will show you some preferences and project setting that you can treat and you can play around. Here, optimizing HD clips, you can turn it off or turn it on, or enable GPU acceleration right inside the program. For example, I can pause it, and you see that it is playing and pause, and go to file, go to setting. It is lagging now because it is optimizing my clip, and you select preference, and it will open up a new Windows where you can find your file location and other thing. Just a moment, because it is optimizing my HD clips and it is lagging. Okay, and here we go to acceleration. In acceleration, we have the option to turn on and off optimize HD clip in Movavi, and you can click on this question mark to see what is it. If you are using higher quality footage, optimizing the project file will help you have editing to run faster and more smoother by creating smaller copies of the original file. That is the case. Okay, and you can also enable GPU's acceleration here. So we keep the project setting like this and start editing our video. Okay, at the general, there's nothing. And file, or where you save your project, and sharing, you can upload to YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive. There's some option for that, and click OK. Go back, click OK to go back to the timeline now. Okay, and you see that it is not yet finished the optimization, so I cannot start the project right now. Okay, so that's the case. The information about lagging issue when using Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 and how you fix that. Just wait. Okay, don't worry. Just keep on producing new video with this program. It is powerful. I will show you my demo video very soon. I'm creating new project now, and it's very interesting program. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.